I would definitely say we had a positive surprise in that not only was the traffic coordinated very well during construction, but the contractor finished ahead of schedule.
Well, I've got my fellow commuters coming back and forth from Lexington, and they were all pleased, and then I knew some others that had traveled the road during the commuting, and they were very pleased with how it went.
I was surprised that we didn't get more complaints during Keeneland. I was really worried about that, and I was expecting a little bad press on that, and we did not get any. Didn't get any. There was even some accidents during the peak times at Keeneland, and traffic still flowed well. So
the biggest surprise was how successful our traffic flowed during the race meets. The good and bad is that most people said that some of the best traffic they'd ever seen was during the construction project, which has made it harder on us now that construction's over with to make sure that we maintain that same level of traffic flow and get people in and out just as efficiently as we did during the construction project. But as far as the surprises of the project itself, the fact that it moved as quickly as it did and as efficiently as it did were all pluses. So all the surprises were only positive surprises and nothing that unexpected in a negative way.
What I can truthfully say that any time I call Tony with any type of problem whatsoever, within hours, he took care of it. To the best that he could. He couldn't wave a magic wand over a project like this. It was a big project, but he did everything he could, and I know he did, and because the results speak for themselves.
There was a project that I rode through every day and could notice the changes almost every day, and seeing the businesses on a regular basis, I would stop in and check with them, and a lot of times the businesses were our biggest advocates. We'd stop in, they'd want to know, well, what about this or what about this, because they were we had the people stopping every day that was asking them questions, and they were able to give them information through us that was accurate and timely, and that was a big benefit, was having to work with some of the districts or the businesses in the area. The other thing we did is we had an ongoing Twitter account that we kind of updated to kind of let people know what the traffic concerns were. That was something that every morning was one of the first things I did was, it took me 11, 12, 15 minutes to drive from Bluegrass Parkway to New Circle Road, and just getting information out to keeping the public updated, I think was a major success of this plan and getting this project done.